Miss Laura,
Laura,
Katie, and
Maddie Teddy's today for a mindful minute.
Today we're going to make glitter jars to use for our time-ins. Where the glitter represents all our feelings and thoughts swirling around, and then we're going to watch them settle. What you need is glitter, and also
glue,
clear glue, and a jar, and also warm water, which I have right here in my thermos. Step number
1.
Fill the jar up with water, but you have to leave some space on the top so you can fit your glitter. Fill it up almost to the top, but not quite. Just like that. Leave some space. For my glitter jar, I'm going to use glitter glue. So you have two options, glitter glue or glitter with the glue. Step number 2 is we're going to add a tablespoon of glitter. Katie chose this glitter. So it's 1 tablespoon for every 6 ounces. I think a little bit more. What do you think?
Yeah.
Make it nice and sparkly. Then we're going to need 1 tablespoon of clear glue. I like to open the top.
I was about to say glitter.
And I'm just going to squeeze it in a little bit just because I don't want my spoon to get dirty. Very good. Now you can we have to stir it up. Here, you can stir it up with this. While Katie stirs, I'm going to use the glitter glue. The glitter glue, about a tablespoon.
Mine feels hot to me.
Yeah, it's warm water. So then after we stir it, we close it up.
I did.
Then what? Give it a nice
Shake.
And then we watch it swirl. Glitter.
It looks like ice.
And guess what the glitter represents? All of our thoughts and feelings. We watch them swirl around, and then finally they will settle down to the bottom. Just like this. See, they're all at the bottom now. Swirl, swirl, swirl. And then we watch them gently go down. Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoy your glitter jars.
Yeah!
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Peace, peace, peace.
Peace, peace, peace.